This is Regina Rica, a must-visit church here in Rizal. You can visit from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Wednesday to Sunday, and for the Mass, you can check the schedule on their FB page. Meron silang bottle dito that you can fill up with your coins and give it back on your next visit if you want. After Mass, you can visit Mama Mary. Maglalakad ka lang ng onte, pero may enjoy mo naman yung scenery. Make sure when you visit, wear comfortable shoes and bring your shades. And don't forget your sunblock. Ito yung ilalim ni Mama Mary going to second floor where you can find the prayer area. Sa gilid, may area where you can light a candle and say your prayer. Kita dito yung Laguna Lake and yung paligid ng Sierra Madre Mountains. Sa taas ni Mama Mary, may small balcony na kitang-kita mo yung view na to. Kaso bawal yung camera doon. Ito yung church, ang ganda diba? Meron din sila ditong columbarium and souvenir shops. And restaurant that serves no meat dishes. You can also eat sa Cobo area nila. Sa may bandang labas ng restaurant, may mga binibentang sarili nilang tanim na halaman. Siyempre, nag-uwi kami. Ayan yung plantatay namin, no? And that's our Saturday.